what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making butter potatoes. So for this we'll be needing 4 to 5 medium potatoes, 2 tablespoons of butter, half teaspoon of salt, half cup cheese which I have to grate, and we need this on top so they melt, half teaspoon of pepper, half teaspoon of paprika, quarter cup of olive oil, half teaspoon of oregano, and half teaspoon of black seeds, also known as kalonji. So I'm gonna start by showing you how to cut these potatoes properly. So you have to cut them with like these slits, but you don't want to cut it all the way till the end. So I'm cutting them halfway through. So I'm just gonna do this. Now that this is done, it should be like this, where you can have some slits but it doesn't break all the way through. So I'm gonna start by adding in our butter, and our spices. And then our oil. So I'm just gonna mix these. Butter has also become smaller now, so that means it's ready. So I'm just going to use this brush and brush this on the potatoes. You have to make sure the spices go inside the butter creases. You want to make sure that the whole thing is ready. And I'm just gonna open the creases a bit and just like try to stuff them in. After brushing the spices on, I refrigerated the potatoes for 30 minutes, and now I'm going to put them in a steam. So I have preheated the pan, and I'm just going to put the potatoes in here and let them be in the steam for around 30 minutes. So these have been in the steamer for half an hour. I'm going to turn the stove off now, and I'm going to take these potatoes out and put them over here. Stove on, and the leftover spices, I'm going to use this brush and brush it on. Potatoes are in, and I've put the rest of the spices on. I'm going to take some cheese and just sprinkle some on. So now I'm just going to close the pan, and I'm going to let the cheese melt. These have been in the stove for 2 minutes, and the cheese has melted as expected. So you can serve this as it is, and I'm going to turn the stove on as well. So I'm gonna serve this as it is, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. Bye!